Okay, good afternoon, dear students. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ cumulative test 1 ꯀꯣ ꯅꯍꯥꯟ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ biology test part test ꯑꯅꯤꯗꯨꯒꯤ cumulative ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯂꯨꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ 2025ꯀꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯄꯦꯇꯔꯟꯗꯨꯅꯦ statement type ꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯍꯟꯕꯤꯗꯣ cumulative ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯨꯅ ꯇꯧꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯍꯧꯔꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯗꯕꯤꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪꯁꯨ ꯀꯨꯏꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯔ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯗꯩ ꯁꯦꯠ ꯑꯞ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯤ Select the incorrect statement name. Microsporangium is always linear in outline. Incorrect niko. Microsporangium sibu enter gi leopto pollen chamber dubu pollen chamber microsporangium ge toming si pollen chamber ko widana linear oibrane straight oibrane oide it should be circular in outline haigadamne. So similale han bama. Four wall layers of microsporangium helps in dehiscence of enter. Yani ko lale enter gi wall mari yawani kana epidermis ne endothelium ne middle layer ne tapetum ne hum de manung da outermost three do neba dehiscence na mating pang do she ado tare mari four wall layers haidi lale simasu vegetative cell nucleus of pollen grains is irregular in shape chumi natra irregular oine yawan sima chumi pollen grains are about 25 to 50 micrometers in diameter asisu me ncrt ki direct line ana aran ba khando haibana answer si a ga b ga tarni ko mathang ding find the incorrect statement sisu landoni ko sisu maximum students lalamni ba hawai changna fazana kupthana padaba satri kaida landono yingsi ko Vallisneria and hydrilla grows in fresh water chumesim water hyacinth is water pollinated lale water hyacinth ising the hugja tarsu water hyacinth go water lily gadi either wind or kaina insects no pollinate the way hagini lale sim in water lily types of pollination is either anemophily or entomophily chumesima water lilies ising da hugja tarsu nungsina pollinate to yai natragana insects na pollinate to yai is akoina hawai de tamai ne natra in all water pollinated species pollen grains protected from wetting by mucilaginous covering ai pollen grains se mucilage na cover to hai hai ncrt da but in all hai de most hai bane most of the water pollinated species I mean, all hai la le ko na si lan tare ai tare aran se kai tare a ga d ga ta sorry lali se b ga d ga tare yare ko next sir ngasiri 90 questions simak na tab maru oi ba yamna lui haina khanba noida aina luramni na khanba jaga du khak tawsi given below are two statements one is level as assertion and the other is level as reason Isiko, in majority of the flowering plants development of female gametophyte is monosporic chume monosporic development of embryo sac natra monosporic kauridi kaigino single megaspore mother se megaspore mari rimnu da hum degenerate tawra amadagi develop to hogi chumiko so in majority of the flowering plants one of the megaspore is functional while other three generates only one functional megaspore develop into female gametophyte when the assertion chu chume reason chu chume and assertion and reason is the correct explanation of assertion wale yare ko assertion chu reason so both assertion and reason are true and r is the correct explanation of a wale yare ko mathang mu yengsine sigi question se sir ne analyze tawri se muna taw ko question se ti phajabani ko ana yam nam kuptana out of syllabus om chatloi ben ncrt manung da dum leini yare ko but still the question is very tough and complex of the question singi manung singi yam lu gibai na te da every point am the word am khakta sembo pone given below are two statements statement 1 da in wheat and maize yani ko endosperm completely consume developing embryo endosperm na completely consume to thoki ye wheat ka maize ka da endosperm se completely consume to was se kai ko non endospermic sheet ko ado wheat ka maize ka di non endospermic na te mo di endospermic ni ena classroom da hai give do combining sang ni hai ki sir na yani ko wheat ta ꯃꯦꯁꯇ ꯃꯕꯨꯛꯇ ꯃꯦꯠꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯃꯤꯠ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯟꯗꯣꯁꯄꯔꯃꯤꯛ ꯁꯤꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯜꯂꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯅꯟ ꯑꯦꯟꯗꯣꯁꯄꯔꯃꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯅꯗꯤ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯠꯂꯤ ꯀꯟꯖꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯟ ꯑꯦꯟꯗꯣꯁꯄꯔꯃꯤꯛ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯟꯗꯣꯁꯄꯔꯃꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯃꯦꯟ 1 ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯦ The wall of the ovary develops into wall of fruit called perisperm. ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯦ ꯁꯤꯃ ꯉꯥꯏꯈꯣ The wall of ovary develops into wall of fruit called perisperm. ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ wall of fruit ꯇꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯀꯧꯏ pericarp ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ it should be pericarp ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ given below are two statements statement gaishidi khara analysis te yawsiko. In seed plants ne, pollen grains are the carrier of male gametes and ovule have the egg ay. Pollen grains ta male gamete yawi chume. Pollen grains ta male gamete yawi na through pollen grains se male gamete to fight chu kawri se. Male gamete ni yawi dana. And ovule have the egg. Ovule manung the egg yawi. Pare yengisi ko. Embryo sac te yawdoni embryo sac to ovule budi yawdoni but still yengisi. In angiosperm, pollen grains represent the male gametophyte. Statement to the angiosperm, the pollen grains say male gametophyte ni chume hiam thina maram di pollen grains nu the male. Adoi tardi choose the correct option from the given below. Option kamai pi ge sir amta yenge ko. Let's see the option next slide thing tare. Chume todri both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Animak chume na pire. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Haidi pollen grains from the male gamete yawe hai sume. Ovule manung the female gamete egg yawe sume. Ovule manung the direct yawe but ovule manung the embryo sac manung the egg yawe ovule manung adum tare da. Yare ko sequence of development of embryos. Embryo se zygote develop troponi zygote gi pro embryo matung the globular embryo adi matung the heart shape adi finally matured embryo era kimne. Monocot ta chap manai monocot na heart shape yaude haina ta kibado. Yare ko micropyle remains in the seed pod. Micropyle si horen seed form toro matung dari small pore oina yawe hebeni. Kaidaunaba gidamakta yauriba. Kaidaunaba yaurino entry of water during germination sima. Entry of oxygen during germination. Yani ko for the exchange of gases and water ne na haibane basana like class tapakan. Aduna option number 4 oiba tare. Which of the following fruit contain large number of seeds? Like the obuniko orchids, orobank, and strigas. All of these the answers. Filiform apparatus are special cellular thickening. Kai diya हुआ है filiform apparatus है synergids diya हुआ है synergids की over the synergid there are finger-like thickening yawi we call it filiform apparatus का way thickening are present in which cell है कर्म cell दिया होगी synergid diya हुआ है and their function is pollen tube to guide to one another na yaw rings ne antipodals diya हुआ है di yam thila le synergid diya हुआ है to guide the pollen tube directly in egg egg to nati guide the synergid guide the pollen tube into the synergid sai kem ne wara arni ko direct te yaw direct ke maru ni ko direct sure mathang di mo angko hot pa khara yaw ring si ko to a biologist which structure in angiosperm are morphological and embryological marble and site of sexual reproduction NCRT के first few lines ahugala ko sharuk to ne flowers are the embryological and morphological marvels ni hene yawut natra loi chumam do male si sima maximum lalamani sima ai khange maximum this is very important need 2026 lang hangzaraksani in the given below example how many cells are diploid yani ko diploid oiba khalakem ko megaspore di n meiosis tor form to na microspore n megaspore mother cell twice n zygote twice n okay ai question am thang jage kana kana no kumbiro tapetam se n la twice la sir ngasidi chat ude just a second hainaro tapetam si n la twice la tapetam si n la twice la hairo petam n or twice n sir yengake ko minim tang ayo yengake di live streaming singake ba cumulative ay yengake ngai ko twice n inak pa yawe twice n irak pasu n oil pasu loy la le ko twice n irak pasu loy la do ni why because tapetam is polyploid and even event CRT da so it should be polyploid madi kai ne ba polyploid hoeva yare ko so endosperm di Endosperm na trisem. Endosperm trisem. Pollen grains na N. Generative cells su N. Vegetative cells su N. Nucellus twice N. Functional megaspore N. Synergid N. Pollen mother cell twice N. Edi twice N kaya yaure? 1, 2, 3, 4. Mari khatani yaise. Answer will be option number 1. Yare ko? Kapetam si. Yare ko mayam? Okay. Next yung given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. Assertion da kay piramia. Pollen grains are well preserved as fossil. Sumesimo. Poropollenin present in exine of pollen grains. Too many mo. Adoy tari. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of A. Tari. Yare ko sima. Ida question am laire phazaba. In flowering plants for the formation of 800 male gametes, how many pollen mother cell, pollen grains, and number of meiotic division are required? Ay, yani ko. Now, I saw that in highway, I say, 800 male gametes highway naman ay sinatro. 800 male gametes. Yani ko, ada ako na kang doon pollen grains sama da male gamete kya yawi. Anta hay kiro. Pollen grains sama da male gamete kya yawi. Anta hay biro se. Pollen grains sama da male gamete kya yawi. Ay ngairi ko. Ngairi ko ay. Pollen grains sama da male gamete kya yawi nom ta hay biro si. Male gamete ama ani ni yawi ba. Pollen grains sama da male gamete ani ni yaw tardi 800 male gametes form tauge hay tardi pollen grains kya changam ni pollen grains samni 400 pollen grains changam moidro. Diantay ko sir naise. Because we know that one pollen grain samada, one pollen equal to two male gamete. One pollen grain samada male gamete ani yautar di 800 male gametes putoke di 400 pollen grains sangamani. Answer se kay na, how many pollen mother cells are okay? Adi ahan bagi amadi khange pollen grains kya changani ba? Pollen grains 400 form tardi. Yani ko, one pollen mother cell amana pollen grains kya form to ya? Four pollen grains form to re. Adi pollen grains sami form to ge di kya dakar oyer ni? 400 divided by 4. Adi pollen mother cell cham ama dakar oyer ni. Natra, meiosis kya rak to ge meiosis umurak to pollen mother cell na meiosis to rakanda pollen mari form to ne. Yare ko, hangi ko sarnai se pollen grains ama form to no one of the meiosis ama darkar oineba. Adi pollen grains sami form to no one of the meiosis kya darkar oirni meiosis sama darkar oirni. Adi 100 pollen mother cell, 400 pollen grains, and 100 meiosis darkar oirni haido. Yare ko sima. Next, kitang khajik thu si ko. Maraiba jagada di thu seba, aruba jagada lu seba. Yung in some members of Rosaceae, Leguminaceae, and Solanaceae, amlaireda pollen grains maintain viability for months and out many months. Yarni ko, amta ningsang brenge, but kana dadi only up to 30 minutes kakang oy. Viability se. Viability se 30 minutes katang oy basi. Ta haibiro. Karam ba family dadi only 30 minutes katang oy ge viability se. I'm waiting, ngairi ko. Humnarak with rice kada. With rice kada di only 30 minutes lang. Which of the following is incorrect ay? Emasculation tawrisibu kaydonam no bisexual flower dagi anther chapthala lawthokpod natro emasculation haise. Adudi unisexual flower already layraba pot dabu emasculation tawgidro tawraroi. Ade unisexual flower da emasculation tawni haise laladra incorrect tare. Which of the following statement is correct? The number of stam sisu. Sisu lalamdoy ni ko. Thatra khara lalamdoy ni sisu lan bana trangaw ba ma. The number of stamen is variable in flowers of different species. Achumma ni ko khandu haise. Stamen masing se khenani species khenabay matungna yam thi khenay adudi. Natrana yam thi khenay stamen masing di. Sima chume. Chumam lai reko. The length of the stamen is constant when adum lai bro. Laite stamen ke height si panbiam ga even within the same species tabok the canary name. Like akoi so kai dona mustard ta tetra dynamis stamen lai duni. Natra aniyam na tela mariyam na wangi duni. So ada constant way ra sumai lai ro sima lale. In angiosperm anther is always bilobe. Always hives a lale ba. Monothecus anther su lai China ro sta na ta kiblo. Adari sima lale. Anther and funicle are the two part of stamen lale. Anther ne stamen ki part ne funicle ne ovule ki part ne. Natra udai tari sim su lale. Adari achumba khandu adi wan tare ne. Next up, in grass family, the cotyledonary orientation is a grass tadi cotyledon se kai diya hoya. Cotyledon is lateral dam yawi. Amana one side. Side ama khakta pale. Monocot tadi cotyledon do ama khak yawram ni na side ama khaktang do ina grow tawroidro. Aduna lateral and one side khaktang da palani. Yare ko? Adi both 1 and 3 tare. Group of compactly arranged homogeneous cell in the center of a microsporangium se kai kawe. Ay haikrabani sporogenous cell spore form to ngamba cell. Natrane pollen chamber manungdadi pollen grains form to donina pollen form to ngamba cell or spore form to ngamba cells yam yaramani. In citrus, during polyembryony, which cell divide and protrude into embryo sac and develops into embryo. Adi polyembryony ki wari tawre to. Polyembryony si kamain tawano. Polyembryony hai tari embryo more than one embryos yaudone ovule amada. Natragana embryo sac manu normally embryo haibasi zygote form tawdoni natrane adubo polyembryony leiba kambudadi zygote nataba some other cells surrounding the embryo sac like nucellus kumba integuments kumba de weraposu yai haigimni. Then answer will be nucellus or ni. Correct statement for cleistogamy. Cleistogamy di kaino adum closed door leva flowers eh. Humjala leitari mapandagi ang pollen grains pairakpai daka oiribro manung dadum pollination tawjarani. Ana no pollinating agent required. Mapandagi ang pollinating agent ama sangre pollen grains sangdram nina. Bathang mo yung to? Kay hairi ba mathang sa? Where is it? Perisperm differ from endosperm ay. Perisperm hay sina nucellus ki remnants to. Hitta. Karigumba even after seed formation loira fauda nucellus khara lemaga lehutari madu perisperm kawi hay gibane. Adi nucellus ne perisperm sa. Mani ko adri perisperm di kay waramani twice and waramani nucellus nina. Endosperm di kay waramani thrice and endosperm di. Aduna kay kanay mabani sa perisperm di diploid oi hay daw. Yareko, which of the following statement about sporopollenin is wrong? Ay aran madudam sangsal age ko. Sporopollenin occurs in the area of germ pore. Kai yaudu no. Sporopollenin kai wai de yauge. Exine the exine is made up of sporopollenin. Hydrido. Germ pore hydride exine yauda ba jaga do nina germ pore haise. Adudi option number 3 tar. Pollen grains of rye and wheat loses their viability yaureto. In minutes of their release, 30 minutes. Hojiktan no ina kumakiba do ni. Ovule is a small structure attached to placenta. Ovule se kai gi mateng na napi makhok to what is the stalk of ovule called? Classroom na ngai tan tak lai rabado. Unicle. Yare ko. Covering di kai kawi integuments. Integuments na kupa thungau da ba ho na kai kawi micropyle. Micropyle di opposite na kai chalaza. Natra ne. Uniculus ka body ka tainabam junction na kai hylam kai na hai gi. Noi da su question kar kar hanga ken nungai na ba interaction se. Which is incorrect ay incorrect dum chongchal lage ko. Wind pollination requires heavy and sticky pollen grains. Wind pollen grains ay dun nuksina pai dun nuksina pai gedi pollen grains so dusty oi bam chang do yang bam chang light and dusty oi bam chang heavy oi de kai de nuksina pai ngam ni ana aran ba si option number 4 so dum tar ni yare ko both autogamy and geitonogamy are prevented in yare ko autogamy ga geitonogamy ga animak thinge hai tar di autogamy su geitonogamy su kai gi type mak na self pollination gi type ngakta ne aduri isam dona itare self pollination karamba pambi da thinga da ge hai tardi karamba da dioecious plant da thing tare dioecious di male flower na pambi da satpa female flower na pambi da satpa tongan tongan da pambi da sat ki tardi cross pollination na tan atopu pai lai roine adi makha da piri ba option sidagi kai khando haino magi se dioecious plant khando haine kana tare papaya tare awa thabi lava haido adi awa thabi da female male flower kaptang satpa ki yare ko Kitang ꯆꯥꯎꯊꯣꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯕ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯂꯨꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯗ Even in the absence of pollinating agent, seed setting is ensured in a pollinating agent yaudраsu hojik seed form tawadi pollination tawangambadi kanada tawayage Cleistogamous flower yani ko Cleistogamous flower. What is the opposite of Cleistogamous flower? Kanada kumbiro opposite of Cleistogamous flower amta haibiro ay ngairi ko opposite of Cleistogamous flower amta haibiro ngairi Cleistogamous ki opposite se kaino Chasmogamous natra matang demo a typical dicotyledonous embryo consists of like embryome de yaw dise kaino embryonal axis ama yawni aduga cotyledon yawni cotyledon do ani yaw magana dicotyledon to one the portion of embryonal axis above the level of cotyledon axis to the level point ama or portion ama above the level of cotyledon do kai kawe hage epicotyle kawe hage axis to the level portion ama below the level of cotyledon di kai kawe kumo below the level of cotyledon below the level of cotyledon amta kumbiro below the level of cotyledon sir yengi ko somda below the level of cotyledon amta haibiro noi ki chatting yengi above the level of cotyledon di epicotyle kaureba below the level of cotyledon cotyledon di kai kaugeba hypocotyle ko very good very ko the port adu di answer se magi di above the level of cotyledon haibani na answer se epicotyle tang tar natra next thing given below are two statement ani pitho me the microspore mother cell undergoes meiotic division result in the production of four megaspores formed away to mesima matangda in majority of the flowering plants one of the megaspore is functional amaka function tahore while the other three degenerate they is to me the both stand and 1 and 2 are correct chumi ko ahan bagi se kai kawe like megaspore mother cell na meiosis tharaga megaspore mari form tawse kai kawe si process si kai kawe interactive oina ba nungai na khar khumo kai kawe very good zahid khurshid amta haibiro kai kawano megaspore mari form tawrꯛꯄꯁꯦ megaspore mother cell na meiosis ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯒ megasporogenesis very good megasporogenesis mathang amu yengsiko cross pollination does not occur in a cross pollination kanada chatharoi okay cross pollination di kanada chatharoi dage hangine mana haise kanada chatharoi allogamous flower e allogamous adi kaino haige ko cross pollination ge to means allogamy ko iko sorry cross pollination ge to means genogamy ko aduga self pollination chathabasina kai kawe self pollination sina allogamy su ko bane allogamy ada self pollination da makhal ani leibani yani ko within same flower chatharagana autogamy aduga different flower of the same plant oiragana kaitonogamy ko ge bane yare ko aduri mana haire sidi cross pollination kana da chatharoi ge haitari self pollination chatha panbi du da bu chatha gadro adi allogamous flower da chatha ako ko o allogamous flower da chatha chathani chathani allogamous flower da chatha bai gaitonogamous flower da chatha gadra ye gaitonogamous flower di kay male ka female ka si same plant ta pan but on different branches moi da chatha roi moi da ngako ko sigi keno simutang lan no mala it kenam tang yeng ba does not occur in cleistogamous flower organism answer should be okay cross pollination does not occur in cleistogamous flower organism answer will be this see answer se organism gaitonogamous nate ko answer se gaitonogamous nate it should be cleistogamous organism ne yare ko okay ai sim tang samdoke humjalla laigi tari mapandagi pollen grains tarakpa yaroidana mapandai pollen grains tarakpa yada tari compulsorily self pollination atana atopa means amta laitre yare ko okay after double fertilization embryo sac comes to have embryo se amada Okay, double fertilization tawdi double fertilization ki product kai kaino hangine mana hangi se. Zygote amaga primary endosperm nucleus ka form toroidra. Zygote diploid ni aduga primary endosperm nucleus na triploid ne. Adi diploid cell amaga triploid cell amaga form torni. Diploid cell duna zygote kawi, triploid cell duna primary endosperm nucleus kawi. Areko? Question si 30 yaudangai ri kitang jar jar samjange khara khara laiba singdi ko sir. Angka hotbagumba yawba jaga aduda yengseba maruoina. Jar yengsi. Sidak ama yare. How many kay hangino maise? Meiosis hangamdong male. Last ki makha se yung sida hangeto. How many pollen mother cell haba? Pollen mother cell kya darkar hoige for the formation of how many pollen mother cell for the formation of kya? For the formation of 400 seed. Pollen mother cell kya change 400 seeds form tawna hanabda. Adi akoina khangdoise seed one seed form tawnabu hotnabadane seed ama form tawnabu hotnabada akoi kai changne one pollen grains amaga one pollen grains haigera pollen grains ke to maming di microspore ko wina plus one megaspore amaga changne sige idea sima hana khangbi tare for the formation of one seed we need one pollen grains and one megaspore adudi 400 seed form tawge di pollen grains 400 am changani ne 400 pollen grains amaga 400 megaspore amga changani adi 400 pollen grains form tawge di pollen mother cell kya form tawne pollen mother cell chama da gar word ramdi amana mari mari form tawani na answer will be 3 Nucellar polyembryony. Polyembryony si kanada nga sayaw gre citrus to fangin. Perisperm kana fangi black pepper. Black pepper na taba ma hayro. Perisperm fangba black pepper na taba to pa makai fangi. I'm waiting. Black pepper na taba. Black pepper na taba atopa. Perispermic shit fangba. Kaida fangi black pepper na taba mta haibiro. Ay ngairi ko. Yes, beat the khurshid alarm. Very good. Beat the fangi, beat the fangi. Chume. Next thing si mo. Non-albuminous seed. Non-albuminous seed kaya tuming kay kawaya. Non-endospermic seed. Non-endospermic seed adi endosperm yahudra ba. Masai wheat da yaugi, maize da yaugi, castor da yaugi, kana da yaugi, pea da yaugi, dicot ese. Yani ko, for formation of male gametophyte and female gametophyte from mother cell, which process is similar in endosperm? Yung ko kanam hay ko, mother cell lagi, pollen su pollen manungduda male gamete form tawgedi pollen mother cell lagi pollen grains hana form tawam changdrane pollen mother cell lagi pollen form tawgedi meiosis han tawni amai to na female gametophyte form tawgedi megaspore mother cell do meiosis or megaspore hana form tawam changel adi animakta common oidoisi meiosis ne so number of meiotic division animakta meiosis kya darkar hoiba mother cell sina meiosis amamam han tawam changel animakta meiosis ama changel Correct. In angiosperm, formation of two male gamete from a microspore involved. Two male gamete form tawgedi kamain tawre ahanbada pollen mother cell duna meiosis microspore mother cell duna meiosis tawraga microspore mari form tawre. Hariba microspore amamdo mitosis tatharakanda larger vegetative cell amga smaller generative cell amga form tawre sumaina si pollen grains name. Pollen grain. Pollen grains si ahanbada mitosis am chathare ka. First mitosis. Mitosis tawrakanda apikpa cell amaga achouba cell amga form tawre apikpa si generative cell achouba sina vegetative cell kawena paithore asigi two cells te sida pollination tawre ado horen tarakanda vegetative cells na pollen chi ongrani generative cells se another mitosis among tawre second mitosis adu kana mongondagi male gamete ani amga form toroktro adi male gamete ani form tawgedi first mitosis amga second mitosis ani rak darkar hoye so we need two mitotic division germ pore in the pollen grains are reason of germ pore se kai tholak phamna germ pore haisi pollen tube tholak phamni adu piriba option sigi matung inadi germ pore lack sporopollenin kai gino germ pore da sporopollenin yaudri di exine absent oibagi are ko the characteristic features of angiospermic microsporangium ai microsporangium ge to maming amta haibiro pollen chamber kaino yengsiga it is generally It is generally wall kya kupsalia. Yenge. It is generally surrounded by four wall layers. Simachume. Outer three layer do helps in protection and dehiscence. Simasu chume. The innermost wall layer that helps in nourishing the developing pollen grains. Manung itang tangma wall layer do kay kawe tapetam kaudra. May mathaw di nutrient supply to bunine. Ado magi matung ina di innermost wall layer do endothecium kawe la le do. Cells of tapetum are multinucleated oi chume and polyploid oi bani ko aduri ohum chume A ne B ne D ne. A, B and D are correct. Correct. Yare ko. In which of the following fruits thalamus contribute to the fruit formation? Am lai re kala si apple. Which of the following statement is correct? Correct khanduai ni ko. Lichens do not grow in polluted area. Amaka paragum si chume. Ram the lichens are pollution indicator. Sulfur dioxide pollution indicator when I use the we I give. Yare ko. Next up. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Viruses are obligate parasite chume. Obligate adi compulsorily mo siya host ang gimunong da changdri gay hingmo ngamdew. Infective constituent in virus is the protein code. Yam thi lale virus the infectious oiriba part se karam no genetic material dune not the protein. Protein di mapale horani. Unong thajan dew. Select the incorrect statement. Yang si ko. Lion belong to genus Leo. Ye chumro. Chumde lion ki scientific name di Panthera leo hai bani. Panthera leo. Adudi leo si di species oigadam ne mana genus ne hari landro. Adi aran makhando odi silale. Given below are two statements. The boundaries of the kingdom protista are not well defined. Chumesima. My boundaries rigid oidev. Protist kharam the plant ki character cheli, protist kharam na animal ki character cheli, protist kharam na panjai ki character cheli. Aduna magi boundaries rigid oide well defined oide. Hai gipto. Natra yeng siko. Kari kari piriba. Anisuda, most protozoans are saprophytic and absorb organic matter from bed substances. Protozoans anambana saprophytic way lale. Protozoans anambana heterotrophic way gadavani. Anamoise they are primitive relatives of animal haina takido. Kana waita are this saprophytic haina. Which protozoans are saprophytic? Karamba protozoans saprophytic way. Sorry, protozoans haibane maise. Aina sporozoans na tarure. Or the most protozoans are saprophytic. Adi chumiko. Most saprophytic oy. Many of them are saprophytic. Para ama heterotrophic oy bayay. Para ama na kay oy bayay. Parasitic oy bayay. Ada aina hangningi sina protozoan marak sida heterotrophic oy se kanano hai. Protozoan marak ta heterotrophic oy. Saprophytic to slime mold very good. Heterotrophic kambu dana sporozoans kambu se. Natra this statement ngay ko. Oh, sorry. Sir na soy ni Shima di sir na soy gre. That's my mistake. Ay sam do ke ko. Ahan the statement one do di chume ko. By the definite boundary late hai baduma. Aduga most protozoans are saprophytic adilale. Most native. Saprophytic oy do si di kana katano. Slime molds katani. Atay do di kay oige. Parasitic heterotrophic mode of nutrition lay gadam. And the statement two silale. One di chume boundary definite oy di hai duma. Aduga two simudi lale. Matang di yung ko. So, sumina assertion reason di khara di yaw ring sidi. Given below are two statement. One is level as assertion and another is yare sima assertion ding sikma. Kingdom protista forms a link with the other kingdom. Tipo kingdom ga link oy. Kingdom protista se plant sumali, animal sumali, panjai sumali. Aduna masi animal ka su link lay, panjai kambu su link lay, and as well as plant ka su link lay. Yani ko. It is believed that protista evolved from the kingdom Monera and is the ancestor of the multicellular eukaryotes. Lale. Ngay ko. Kingdom ka na. It is believed that Protista evolved from the kingdom Monera and is the ancestor. Oh, chume. Okay, sinira ay hiding is Kingdom Monera gi mathangda Kingdom Protista. Kingdom Protista ay manungda Kingdom Panjai tamdra. Aduni Monera dagi Protista evolved already. Aduga Panjai gina ancestor na kana tare. Kingdom Protista tare. Ancestor di mamangdo. Ako'y gi ancestor. Ako'y evolved already ngayda. Apps dagi evolved already na. Amayna Panjai gina. Panjai siya multicellular oidra na. Adi multicellular eukaryote kina ancestor. Aduga Monera gina. Monera di evolved already. The both assertion and reason are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Tara. Which of the following are types of archibacteria? Helophiles, methanogens, ahum mari magtare yare. Which of the following is incorrect about chrysophytes? Chrysophytes the diatoms ka desmate ka yawi natra. Chrysophyte includes diatoms and desmate. Desmate se golden algae su ko hai kibani. Chrysophytes se fresh water da phangi as well as marine water da phangi. Chrysophytes sing se. She said, sige point 2 simtang ngak mini amtang thamsiko. They are microscopic and float passively in water current. So passive swimmers ne moidi. Passive edi energy consume tawdabida. Though most of them are heterotrophic ay. Most of them are heterotrophic ay di lani. Lan gani amta yenge ko aran ba khanduai ra chum ba khanduai ro jikdo. Most of them are heterotrophic ay di la loidra. Chrysophytes kambu ay di photosynthetic ngagtane diatoms desmate kambu do. Ay di aran ba khanduai tari most of them are heterotrophic tayo. Are ko aduna ngasai si se chrysophytes are found in fresh water as well as marine water. NCRT ki direct line. Yarni ko, marine water su fangi, fresh water su fangi, but most of them are marine water dari hulay galle, marine dari. Yarni ko, next the euglenoid have protein-rich layer instead of cell wall. This layer is called pellicle. Flexible web layer ni inatam give. Next the, which of the following is correct about slime molds? Correct la. Yes, correct ni. Spores are dispersed by air current. Chumesima. Mo spores slime molds se cell wall yaubra. Yaura gana kai wai de yawi. Slime molds se cell wall yaubra yaura gana kai wai de yawi am taibiro. This slime mold possess cell wall? If yes, in which stage of their life cycle? Cái ngày đi cô? Sports to yawe. Very good. Next person the Mangifera indica and Triticum aestivum belong to the same division. Lale. Sir namata kib do kay keep put get on fire gas stop hai na. Phylum sina animal da plant na division. Mangifera di haino panbi mango. Triticum na wheat. Amana gehu ni. Amana mango ni. Amana dicot. Amana monocot ni ne. Ana moi animak kingdom kadaida belong torongani kingdom planting ngaktani. Division na animak se angiospermy. Angiosperm ngaktani oni se. Division angiospermy da belong tawi. Class na amana kanada amana dicotyledony haiba class tu da amana monocotyledony haiba class tu. Class manazadaba taragasu they belong to the same division angiospermy da di belong tawdro. The same division da belong tawi hai chumne. Arniko, Anishu, the Homo sapiens and Musca domesticata belong to the same phylum. Yamti nale. Homo sapiens, Kambudi kaino. Phylum kaino. Mammalia ne. Class Mammalia, sorry. Class lamay do. Phylum. Phylum Chordata. Musca domesticata di Chordata nate mo di non-chordates Kambudi natra. Or the if assertion is true, if hyroidom niko. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Tare. There are many species of Panthera genus. Which of the following is not the species of Panthera? Panthera leo, Lacima, lion. Panthera tigris, tiger. Panthera pardacyrna, leopard. Panthera nigrum kaudi laitine. Adri answer aran masi tare. Which of the following process are basic to taxonomy? Taxonomy is branch of biology that deals with identification, nomenclature, and classification. Adri tare identification jawi, nomenclature jawi, classification jawi. Answer ja ahuma or ni four. Branch of biology dealing with classification of living organism. Hojikta classification ki maram tamda taxonomy ko hai gazrane. Aduda maise taxonomy ki mathakta their evolutionary relationships yawe. Relationship yawer magana kai systematic kawi na ta ki sarna. Taxonomy plus evolutionary relationship is called as systematic kawi. Yare ko. Next say mo matang director bani. The plant of which are belongs to which the family Poaceae order na Poales ni. Dicotyledon na tiyan mo di monocot ni. Adudi what 1 and 2 are answer. Which of the following is or are correct? Achung bakhandoye. Bacteria are most abundant microorganisms. Simachume. Bacteria are individually so most extensive metabolic individually na ko at the population high the group ki level dane. Individual level dane diverse hoy do simalale. Bacteria are very simple in structure. More structure am simple or prokaryotic structure leidoni, but complex in behavior. Hai sima susume. Bacteria may be photosynthetic autotroph or very like cyanobacteria. Chemosynthetic autotroph or very like nitrogen fixing bacteria kamu kara. Natra. Ado ado tare kai tare. Chumme ni ma. Chumme si kai tare. A ne, C ne, D ne tare. So A, C and D chum. Earlier classification include bacteria, blue-green algae, fungi, mosses, fern, gymnosperm, angiosperm. Plant tha mise kai gino e. From the classification do presence or absence of cell wall. Two kingdom classification do. Now the cell wall the best or classified two way. Which taxonomic categories are real basic unit of classification e. What is the structural and functional unit of living things? Living things lima kai na siyang I think pick pa unit ama khakna. We call it cell ko we have. Adumain tau dana taxonomy the quite pick pa unit to kai no hai tari mai category the quite pick pa do khan thare kana species tare. Yare ko answer will be species. In which kingdom autotrophic mode of nutrition are never occur? Fungi da. Fungi di autotroph so or mo di saprophytic or parasitic kambune decomposes kambune. The plant of which are belongs to family Poaceae belong to yam lai resima. Classes comprising animals like fishes. Ah, fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, along with mammals constitute the next higher category. Kay no pyramid sa classes hayamdra. Class ki mathakta hen higher oiba kay category yam lay hai neba. Madi ngasai gi do hit, put, get, on, fire, gas, stop. Class ki mathakta kay lay class again higher oibadi kana tare phylum tare ne adi class ke mathak tari phylum tare haidoga yare ko next lorectore 61 yaure question next yo dikaryon formation plasmogamy tor matungda dikaryon form tawasi direct NCRT line ni kana phangi ascomycetes ka basidiomycetes ka many drawback was in two kingdom classification system the drawback mayam lagi because this system did not distinguish aduri isam no writer di two kingdom classification ki drawbacks kara hairo haini two kingdom classification ki drawbacks ke kaino prokaryote ke eukaryote ke differentiation laite unicellular multicellular ki differentiation laite photosynthetic non photosynthetic ki differentiation laite kain hai give do sir na adare answer is all the above tare ne in six kingdom classification kananam tairo six kingdom classification je kaida based ro classify tawi or natrana six kingdom classification se atopa maming kai kawi ita ngai koi six kingdom classification se atopa maming kai kawi another name of six kingdom classification natragana high river classification se kai criteria the based roga classify tawano NCRT dadi direct yaude classroom dadi takini criteria of classification of six kingdom do amta haibiro ngai ri kitang tuna three domain system hoina three domain system se kai the based roga classify tawrino answer ngai ri ko 16S RRNA the very good. RRNA the best roga classify to yam chume. Mathanga adi 16 classification the this kingdom divided into two domains karamba kingdom se domain ani thona khai do ke kingdom monera. Natra the rest of the kingdom do the eukarya haiba domain do the thambane monera di ani thong khai do eubacteria haiba ma archaea haiba ma yare ko Bacteriophages are usually bacteriophages तो याव देवे genetic material से कहीं नो double stranded DNA ने सीधी class 11 दा याव वक्त class 12 की कोई molecular basis of inheritance तो याव Hershey and Chase experiment यानी को bacteriophages कामबु ददी DNA से double stranded ओए है which of the following is true about basidiomycetes basidiomycetes से sec fungi को bro कौदे sec fungi यदि कनानो परम परम fungi दा हाई कदम नो sec fungi से ताई बिरो sec fungi से ai ngai đi cô sec phần dày của tôi mình làm tay biro I'm waiting sec phần dày hay sec kanano directly oh ascomycetes very good ascomycetes adi basidiomycetes is sec phần dày ko hai di la le ne ade basidiomycetes is sex organ absent way aduna moidi sex organ absent oibanina gamete form tawde moidi direct hyphae do ina fuse taweba. But plasmogamy is brought about by fusion of two vegetative cells. Vegetative cell adi hyphae do of different genotypes. Sima chume. Karyogamy and meiosis takes place outside the basidium. La liko sidi. Karyogamy ga meiosis ka di basidium manung dadi tawniba. Aduga basidiospore di mapando ina puthorakwane. Sila lesis. It should be inside oigadamne. Basidiospores are produced exogenously. Simili chume. Adudi kaino man khando aisa. Which of the following is true about basidiomycetes haibane? Adudi true hai tari kana tare. B ga D ga tare ne. B and D are correct. Yare ko? Next, lower. Which of the following statements are incorrect about cyanobacteria? Cyanobacteria di photosynthetic ne chemosynthetic na te adudi three lalo. Fungi reproduce by only asexual and vegetative method A. Canada. Deuteromycetes kambuna. Deuteromycetes is sexual reproduction unknown oidro. Aduna moisi fungi imperfecti kawi haigibdo. The group of organisms which are helpful in making curd sava antibiotic produced over adagi nitrogen fixation like aina rhizobium ga example pigido moidi heterotrophic bacteria nena bacteria se ani thong khaidoi ko autotrophic ka heterotrophic ka autotrophic to rom ani khaido ko photosynthetic ka chemosynthetic ka ahum sida photosynthetic chemosynthetic heterotrophic masing khwaya mise kanano ngai ri koi masing khwaya mise kanano very good ascomycetes Alpia, Tania Warepam, Zahid Dihas, Laina Oinam, autotropic ne, photosynthetic ne, heterotropic ne, ahum sida khwai masing yamise kanano ngairiko amta haibiro khwai masing yamise khwai masing yamise kanano okay heterotropic very good heterotropic dynamica yare ko aduri kaino ma hangise this group moi loi pulap se heterotropic ngakane e yam details ta kimi ko sai matang se fungal cell wall se kaina sai majority se chitin na sai kariguma kanda polysaccharide na sa su yai mycorrhiza से कना association of fungus का roots of higher plants की मखा पाथा दरसु यारे fungus का roots of higher plants की association मथंग द plant families like convolvulaceae Solanaceae are included in which order A the convolvulaceae Solanaceae family and see they both belong to polymonial side of order to the belong to Tobram things some slide tawre to ada right the belong to ba they both belong to polymonials the belong to most fungi are saprophytic fungi namana saprophytic way tumiko saprophytic adi decomposers singdo bed and decaying organic matter dai machinjak lawudo ana fungi namana saprophytic way adi yam ti tumiko they absorb organic matter from dead and decaying matter so both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation tar mathang in class Ascomycetes mycelium is a Class mari lay ko, Phycomycetes ne, Ascomycetes ne, Basidiomycetes ne, Deuteromycetes ne. Class mari sida only Phycomycetes khatane accepted oitise. The rest of the classes are having septate mycelium layeba. Adudi septa yaudone. Ascomycetes haibane. Which component of lichen prepared food ay? Lichen si fungi ga algae ga na semakto ni ne. Algae gi part na phycobionts kawi, fungi gi part na mycobionts kawi. Adi algae duna na tro sungdoi se algae gi part di kai kawi ba phycobionts kawi. Mathangda diatoms are wrong ni ko man khandoi se. Diatoms are chief producers in the ocean. Chume sima. Moi se passively float away chume sim su. Diatomaceous art is formed by the cell wall of diatoms. Chume si su. The wall of diatoms are easily destructible ay lale. The answer si tare aran mo khandoi mina. Kay gino indestructible oy dia. Kay gino tayo biro indestructible oy se kay gino. Very good. Hursit, Alfia, Tania, Daina, Dinamica, very good. Kay gino am tayo the indestructible oy se kay gino. ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯇꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯤꯀꯣ indestructible ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯩ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯣ ꯁꯤꯂꯤꯀꯥ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯒꯤ ꯚꯦꯔꯤ ꯒꯨꯗ ꯁꯤꯂꯤꯀꯥ ꯁꯦꯜ ꯋꯥꯜꯗ ꯁꯤꯂꯤꯀꯥꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯄꯣꯖꯤꯠ ꯁꯤꯂꯤꯀꯥ ꯗꯤꯄꯣꯖꯤꯁꯟ ꯂꯩꯕꯩꯅꯦꯕ ꯚꯦꯔꯤ ꯒꯨꯗ ꯚꯦꯔꯤ ꯒꯨꯗ ꯅꯦꯛꯁ which of the following is not a criterion for classification of fungi fungi classification di morphology of mycelium ama mode of spore formation and fruiting bodies ahummak se oire adi mode of nutrition natre answer se si tare for yare ko sina answer tare aran ba khando alnina which of the following statement is correct correct ni ko khando ai se some of the organism can fix atmospheric nitrogen in specialized cell called seed cells seed cell ima poki tajadri sungna natre duna fusion of two cell is called karyogamy cell ani fuse tawsu karyogamy ko bro kaude cell ani fuse tawdi plasmogamy kawe karyogamy di nucleus fuse tawdone simple lale answer natre de achumba khando hai bani kai yauri atopa yengsiko option do fusion of protoplasm between two motile or non-motile gamete is called plasma yam chi chumna to protoplasm fuse tawdo hyphae ani gi fuse tawba yai natragana cell ani gi fuse tawba yai ado gamete to cell ina motile ba yai non motile ba yai which kingdom forms a link with the other dealing with plants, animals, fungi? Ngasai siya ako ko plant kasu plant ki character senba animal ki character su senba fungi ki character su senba kingdom do kanano hangini topolonda da kingdom protista tare. Yare ko matang sida sir question amta hangena kingdom protista sida maruina plant ki character chili se kana kanano. Ay dum hairage ko chrysophytes kambune dinoflagellates kambune ado plants su animals su character chelisna euglenoid kambu fungi ki character chelisna slymos ado exclusively animal ki character chelisna protozoans kambune in the given below example how many are viral diseases in animal lay cd class 12 taki portion chen am khatang gi hapchan bani ko sir virus se ai sai bina tholi ni similar herpes simplex virus ko bomna thole na tambani adai influenza virus siso virus ni mum sama thole similar ekte yaure common cold su thole common cold influenza virus ne mosi adi kya tare 1 2 3 4 5 answer will be 5 tan in which organism the cell wall from two overlapping ai makha patha da su yare diatoms kamu ne khange answers how many statements are correct with reference to sporozoans sporozoans sing se they are all parasites ne chumra chume tumai hai bane sporozoan kamu si define tꯧba kanda moise infectious spore stage ama yawe moigi life cycle ana infectious adi laina thonba ngamba laina thonba ngamba khudima parasite ni ko all disease causing organisms are parasite parasite khudimakti laina thonba ngamde but laina thonba ngamba khudimakti parasite ne ana they are all parasite locomotory structure present hai si lale moida locomotory structure yawe dabani sporozoans kambudadi malaria causing agents belongs to sporozoan chume kana maming plasmodium natra simsu chume nuclear membrane are present nuclear membrane yawe yaw ta ni protista ni na protista di eukaryote ni na unicellular eukaryote ne ba eukaryote ni na nuclear membrane yaw mani ade aran ba khando hai ro mai se nate achumba kya yaw ga achumba hum yaw answer 3 tar the viruses contain virus ta kai yaw moi ki genetic material se dna or rna but never both ani mak yaw nam dia de and either dna or rna yaw natra mathangda sexual cycle in fungi fungi the sexual reproduction set ke di ahamba step ta hyphae ani do changjalaga fuse torni plasmogamy adu lorkana nuclei ani do fuse torni karyogamy zygote form torni ahum su da zygote meiosis atharani adi plasmogamy hana torani karyogamy torni and meiosis atharani two dar yare ko next loidore sina aroiba page loidoni yengsiko aruba yauri brana how many statements are correct according to kingdom animalia see kingdom animalia se biological classification the kingdom plantae and animalia macha macha palidana adudaini asisu padaba mi di khangamoi done they directly or indirectly depends on plants for food chumesima like deer gumba deer se animal ni na moi de directly plants are hingi yarni ko adagi di carnivorous kambu the tiger na muk deer sai which depends on plant the depend to bodo adu di indirectly depend tawre sima chume ko they digest their food in an internal cavity chume sima koi ge digestion system stomach manung da tawdoi na trane They store food as glycogen or fat. Siya chume. Some of them are capable of locomotion. Some of them are capable of locomotion. Sila lale. Oh, chume. Sila lale. Some ay sila lale ba? Some natia. Most of them never. Most of the animals are capable of locomotion. Ana sila lale. Their mode of nutrition is holozoic. Chumdore sima. Yare ko. Ade. One tare mari. Aran das. Correct. Hai tare correct. Hum ya mari yaure. Ano chume. Ani so chume. Hum suba chume. Mari suba lale. Manga suba chume. Yare ko. Fungi reproduce only sexual and vegetative. Asexual ga vegetative reproduction ga khak chatha fungi di sexual reproduction chatha da fungi hamga samana dro. Ado tare deuteromycetes tar fungi imperfect diet. And infectious agent which are similar in size to virus A. NCRT ki direct line ni ko. Horen prions to prion pa ba kandi yung ba. Mo is a virus ka similar size la yen tha bane. Given below are two statements. Yung si ko, assertion that deuteromycetes is commonly known as imperfect fungi kawe. Chumehan mismo. In deuteromycetes, only asexual ka vegetative ka khutang khangbay ni chume sexual later. Adi both assertion and reason are true. Reason is the correct explanation of A tare. Matang yung ko, by using which characters the plant classified into herbs, shrubs, and trees ay sir na sai give to break in the morphology yan hay give ni. Ani ko masak ta wang bra chow bra kyam nemi kaina min uba character the best toroga. Ano simple morphological characters. Tare ko last two question ani khak ngai re. Which of the following is a member of Ascomycetes? Ascomycetes the yaw doise morels ne truffles ne adai kana yaw ri Penicillium yawi kana yaw ri Penicillium ama yaureko. Adagi Neurospora yaurni. Natra. To Aspergillus to moi khara yaugine adumaina. Adi Morels tarena. Si rust and smut sidi Basidiomycetes niko. Amana Paxinia amana Ustilego na thonbado. Trichoderma sina Deuteromycetes ni. Adudi Morel khaktang tarni. Mad cow disease in cattle caused by an agent. Mad cow disease is prions na thonbani. They are caused by prions. Sila prions yaudre adudi kayo niya. Smaller size than bacteria. Bacteria, they didn't be any protein kaktanina. Normally folded proteins. So protein duni prion I say. Abnormally folded proteins. So answer C 2 ga 3 ga tare and high gare. Gare ko to C mangai na. Ado sida sir na piri ma'am se out of syllabus amte yaude NCRT ngaktane but question je kitang adum tough oidra. Ana koi paba kanda manung thitna niti chumna pabam change. Yare ko ma'am sir C mo toroge. Thank you all the best again. Mathang yung kana paro. Thank you. Good night.